shit. Oh!
They're gonna ruin my car.
Where are we gonna go?
We've got to hide somewhere.
Well, it's just like we were that day. We don't know where. How fast can you get the hell out of here?
You can't.
After I drive, they're gonna hit harder.
Oh my God, they're getting bigger. That thing was that big back there that hit. That big.
You see the one in my hand?
This one was this big laying on.
You have a package policy that will help you right now if there's any damage.
Well, might as well get it all over with while you're going, you know. Oh, fuck. Hopefully that doesn't... Oh! Okay, we wanted a storm. This is a bit much.
This is fucking ridiculous.
Ah!
No,
where's our road?
Worse up here.
Where's our road? Where's our road?
Worse here.
Oh! Okay, we have got to seek something, somewhere.
Okay, we're okay.
We're okay.
Let's get around the corner. Find somewhere to park.
In here. Can we get in here? Go. Just, Jesus Christ. Okay.
Oh, no better in the windshield. Oh, fuck.
Ah!
Go under these...
Just go off. Not right here. What about
Just
here?
Pull off onto that
What
side
about
now.
here?
Or here.
Just pull off.
Pull off into here. Go down into here. Go down into here.
Well, we might not get out though.
I don't care. Just go down into here.
It will be if it gets worse.
On this little hill, right there. Go up there. Sit under the
Oh,
tree.
they're still coming down under here.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
We ain't got a lot of choice.
Well, yeah, but being pointing like that, it might come right through the windshield.
No.
Look at the size of that. Look at that.
Glenn, there's nothing we can do.
No, we can't do anything.
We can't do
Holy
anything.
shit.
There's nothing we can do. We just have to try to seek shelter the best we can right now. Actually, if you could pull up, Mom, there's pine trees there. That'll protect us a lot more.
Yeah, these trees
Just go
don't
straight
protect.
ahead. Don't pull out. I don't care what we fucking run over. You're okay. You're okay.
You're okay.
Just go towards my side. You're fine.
Yeah.
I'm stuck.
Go up on the road. Go up on the road.
Now go down into here.
I wouldn't. Well, it's like this. If the tornado comes up behind our ass and we can't get out of here, you won't need to worry about the hail.
Holy fuck. Oh no, I wish we could get out of here.
Look. See that right there, Dawn? Look. Look at the ball right there. Can you see that?
Yep.
I'm not opening my window because if that ever
Okay,
comes
I'm recording all this shit.
Oh my
Holy
God.
shit. Okay, it's okay.
I don't like this weather.
The only thing we can do is maybe go very slowly, try to get the hell out of here. That was freaky. Oh! Holy shit! Oh, smashed the back windshield. All the shit.
Oh, fuck, it is.
Oh, Christ.
Oh,
Jesus.
Oh, the front one's going to go, I know.
Well, the back one shattered to pieces, so...
There's nothing we can do.
Well...
Nope, there's nothing.
It's raining down trees, we just got to try to get home. Just hope for the best we can get home. Holy shit.
Yeah, oh no, it took it out, people. It shattered it.
There's
It's gone.
You ladies be careful if that doesn't fucking anything comes in there.
Yeah.
Bitches, package policy will cover this. I know it's not a comfort right now, but that's why you have a package policy.
Okay, it's okay.
That's safe smoke.
Dude, I guess so. I've never seen anything like
we
this.
should have took Brian's warning and just
And it's
curved
got
it.
underneath.
Yeah. You're okay, Mom. We're gonna get home. It's not that bad now. It's coming down, but not as big. It sounds big, but it's not as big.
Just don't be in the trees.
Guess where we're not going tomorrow.
Yeah.
We're not going nowhere tomorrow. Hi! Okay. If anybody smells shit, it was me!
Okay, it's okay. I don't know if we're coming out of it or coming into it.
That sounds like a lot of rain. It sounds like rain with some hail.
It is rain with hail.
No, but I mean, it's raining too.
There's nowhere to get out of
Okay,
it.
we're just close to the highway.
Yeah, but I don't like all this.
Oh, and she's a bastard.
She is.
You okay?
Yeah.
There's Mom's coat.
Yeah. No, we're okay. No, it's not that. We're just okay. We're okay. We're okay.
I don't know whether to listen or not.
There's nowhere to get out of it here.
Fuck, I'm gonna be right into it out here.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know which way's best.
Home. Towards home, people.
Home.
Towards home.
Home.
Holy shit!
Oh, we can do it at home. Go.
Oh, I'm shaking like hell. My car is fucking ruined.
Yeah, well,
I hope it's fucking total.
Yours is the only one,
No.
you know it. That's the thing. That's all you can face up. You know, it's not yours is the only one.
No, that one's all smashed out. Down there smashed out. SGI's gonna get a lot of calls. Holy. There goes a... Holy shit! Oh! That just hit me in here! Oh! Damn! Yeah, I know, they hit me in here!
The wind's changing.
It is! I wouldn't be surprised if there's a twister somewhere. I just hope not here. Ow!